scan to unlock SOVI and ace your tests. Calculus problems like this look intimidating, but you can solve them in 60 seconds by breaking down the graph and applying the standard quotient rule formula. First, observe the graph at x equals 0. The semicircle f has a peak at 4, so f of 0 is 4 and f prime is 0. The line G is 2. Next, define h prime using the quotient rule. It is the derivative of the top times the bottom minus the top times the derivative of the bottom, all divided by bottom squared. Finally, plug in our values at x equals 0. We get 0 minus 4 times 1/2 divided by 2 squared. This simplifies to negative 2 over 4, or negative 1/2. Nailed it! Scan the code, you can learn better with SOVI. Don't ignore the sign, always apply the quotient rule and check the slope carefully now.